Hey guys, it's your girl Kiki. This time, I'm taking you back to the stunning islands of Malta and Gozo. Stay tuned and you will see why. These islands stole my heart a while back, and I just couldn't resist their charm. I bumped into that awesome travel vlogger I met on my last trip. She told me about some hidden gems she'd discovered, and I knew I had to come back. From the charming streets of Valletta to the crystal clear waters of the Blue Lagoon, get ready to be amazed by the beauty of these islands. Let's go. Stepping into Valletta is like stepping back in time. The city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and for good reason. Stunning Baroque buildings, grand churches, and charming side streets are everywhere. I started my day at the Upper Baraka Gardens, which offer breathtaking views of the Grand Harbor. Seriously, the way the sunlight hits the water is just magical. From there, I wandered through the narrow streets, popping into cute cafes and shops. No trip to Valletta would be complete without a visit to St. John's Co-Cathedral. The interior is absolutely breathtaking, with its ornate decorations and stunning artwork. After soaking up all the history and culture, I treated myself to some delicious Maltese cuisine at a charming little restaurant. Valletta is a city that truly has it all: history, culture, beauty, and amazing food. It's no wonder I fell in love with it all over again. Next stop, Medina, the ancient walled city known as the Silent City. I was eager to find out why it was known as this. As soon as you step through the city gates, you'll understand why. The atmosphere is incredibly peaceful and serene, with narrow, winding streets and stunning views from the city walls. Medina is a place where you can truly feel the weight of history. This city has seen it all, from the Romans to the Arabs to the Knights of St. John. One of my favorite things to do in Medina is to simply wander through the streets, admiring the beautiful architecture and soaking up the atmosphere. There are also some great little cafes and restaurants where you can enjoy a bite to eat or a refreshing drink. And if you're a fan of Game of Thrones, you'll recognize some of the filming locations here. Medina was used as King's Landing in the first season. Medina is a truly magical place, and I highly recommend adding it to your Malta itinerary. Wow, everyone! Medina left me speechless. Maybe that's one of the reasons it's called the Silent City. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Get ready for a serious dose of paradise, guys, because we're heading to the Blue Lagoon. This place is like something out of a dream, with crystal clear turquoise waters, white sandy beaches, and stunning rock formations. As soon as I arrived, I knew I had to jump straight into that water. It was even more beautiful than I imagined. We spent the day swimming, snorkeling, and just soaking up the sun. If you're feeling adventurous, you can rent a kayak or a stand-up paddleboard and explore the nearby caves and coves. There are also a few little food stalls and restaurants on the island where you can grab a bite to eat or a refreshing drink. The Blue Lagoon is a true paradise on Earth, and it's definitely one of the highlights of my trip to Malta. Get ready for a journey back in time, guys, because we're about to explore the ancient temples of Hagar Kim. This UNESCO World Heritage Site dates back to 3600 BC, making it one of the oldest freestanding structures in the world. As I walked among the massive stones, I couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. It's incredible to think about the people who built these temples thousands of years ago, and the rituals and ceremonies that took place here. The temples are located on a hilltop, offering stunning views of the surrounding countryside and the Mediterranean Sea. Make sure to check out the visitor center, where you can learn more about the history of the temples and the people who built them. There are also some interesting artifacts on display. Visiting Hagar Kim is a truly humbling experience that will stay with you long after you leave. Next up, we are going on a ferry trip. Yes, you guessed it. We're heading to the island of Gozo. This is a small island which is known for its stunning beaches and laid-back vibe. One of my favorites was Ramla Bay with its reddish gold sand and crystal clear waters. It's the perfect place to relax, soak up the sun, and take a dip in the Mediterranean. Another must-visit is San Blas Bay, which is a bit more secluded and off the beaten path. The water here is incredibly clear, and the setting is absolutely breathtaking. If you're feeling adventurous, you can rent a kayak or a boat and explore the nearby caves and coves. Gozo's beaches are the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and simply relax and recharge. Get ready to party, guys, because we're heading to St. Julian's, the nightlife capital of Malta. This lively town is packed with bars, clubs, and restaurants, and there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a wild night out or a more relaxed evening, you're sure to find it in St. Julian's. I started my night with dinner at a waterfront restaurant, enjoying delicious seafood and stunning views of the harbor. Then it was time to hit the bars. We hopped from place to place, enjoying the lively atmosphere and meeting people from all over the world. One of my favorite spots was a rooftop bar with incredible views of the city. We danced the night away under the stars, and it was the perfect way to end an amazing day in Malta. If you're looking for a good time, St. Julian's is the place to be. Oh yes, I almost forgot to mention. I have included some great travel-related links in the description below. You can find everything from resort and hotel booking to car hire and travel insurance. Check them out. You may be able to make some savings on your next trip. I hope you find the links useful. For my last day in Malta, I wanted to experience a more authentic side to the island. So I headed to Marsaxlokk, a traditional fishing village located in the south of Malta. The village is known for its colorful fishing boats, known as luzu, which are painted in bright shades of blue, red, yellow, and green. On Sundays, Marsaxlokk comes alive with a bustling fish market. Local fishermen sell their catch of the day, and you can find everything from fresh fish to seafood pasta to delicious fish and chips. I wandered through the market, soaking up the lively atmosphere and enjoying the sights and smells. Marsaxlokk is a great place to experience a more traditional side to Malta and to mingle with the friendly locals. And that's a wrap on my epic adventure in Malta and Gozo. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me as much as I enjoyed experiencing it all again. From the stunning architecture of Valletta to the crystal-clear waters of the Blue Lagoon, these islands truly have something for everyone. A huge thank you to my friend for inspiring me to come back and discover even more hidden gems. If you're looking for an unforgettable travel destination, I highly recommend adding Malta and Gozo to your list. Until next time, happy travels!